Students, the same chapter of democratic politics I am taking today too. That is democracy in the contemporary world. Subchapter is the tale of two democracies. Yes, the tale of two democracies. And in the previous videos, we saw how in Chile a democratic government was elected. After that, that very duly elected government was overthrown through military coup. And now in this video we will see as to how democracy was again restored to power. Okay. Yes, let us start. Pinochet's military dictatorship came to an end after he decided to hold a referendum in 1988 1988 में उन्होंने जनमत लेने का सोचा. Opinion of the people he wanted to see in his he had the idea behind it that the people would sure and certain vote for him, but it wasn't so. He felt confident that in the referendum the people would say yes to his continuing in power. Referendum is a type of seeking the people's opinion on any matter in yes or no. Okay, but the people of Chile had not forgotten their democratic traditions. You know, for long, India was ruled by the foreigners. Even then, the culture and tradition that was peculiar to India was never been removed today too, hadn't been removed today too. It is in practice as it was before it was ruled and after the foreign rule ended up today too. Those traditions, those ancient traditions and customs are seen in practice in society. In the same way, when democracy was overthrown and for 17 years it was ruled by the military dictator Mr. Pinochet, even then people hadn't forgotten the principles of democracy. Their soul was totally, democracy was absolutely uh, lay in their soul. That is why they hadn't forgotten it, and it was the result that when Pinochet sought the referendum from the people, they clearly negated the military rule in Chile. This led to Pinochet losing first his political and then his military powers. First of all, he was removed from power, and after when democracy was set up again, he was also removed from military official, military power. The hope and they expressed in last address was realized. Felony, cowardice, and treason were finally punished. At last, felony, cowardice, and treason, राष्ट्रद्रोह, इसका श्योर एंड सर्टेन क्या होगा? पनिश, इनको पनिश किया जाएगा. एंड आफ्टर 17 years मिस्टर पेनोशे met the same fate. Since then, Chile has held 4 presidential elections in which different political parties have participated. After when referendum was held, democracy was restored Since then, multi-party elections are held in Chile and democratic governments are set up. Slowly, the army's role in country's government has been eliminated. Such provision was is made in the constitution of Chile that the minute there is no chance, there is the least chance to come to military in power. Gee, the elected governments that came to power ordered inquiries into Pinochet's rule. जो भी आई डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट्स उन्होंने पिनोशे के रूल में जो भी ऑपरेशन हुए थे, जो भी भ्रष्टाचार करप्शन हुए थे, सबके जांच के आदेश दिए. These inquiries showed that his government wasn't only very brutal but also very corrupt. That came to be known to public that he not only in a brutal way ruled over Chile but also the military officials were indulged in corrupt practices. Do you remember a little reference made earlier to General Bachelet's daughter who was imprisoned and tortured along with her mother? याद है आपको? Bachelet was an Air Force officer who had denied to participate in the military coup. He was murdered and his daughter along with his wife were imprisoned. That girl, Michelle Bachelet, was elected president of Chile in January 2006. उन्हीं बैचलेट महोदय की लड़की को 2006 में सत्ता सौंपी गई. चिली की a medical doctor, she was a moderate socialist. She became the first woman defense minister in Latin America. In the presidential elections, she defeated one of the Chile's richest men. सबसे धनी आदमी को उसने पराजित किया था. In this photograph of her victory speech, she is saying to her supporters, because I was the victim of hatred. घृणा का शिकार हुई. I have dedicated my life to reverse that hatred. अब मैं उसी हेट्रेड को रिवर्स करने के लिए अपने लाइफ को डेडिकेट क्यों एंड टर्न इट इनटू अंडरस्टैंडिंग. और इसे किस में बदला है? समझ बूझ में, टॉलरेंस में बदला है. एंड व्हाई नॉट से इट इनटू लव एट लास्ट. I have turned that very hatred into love. That's all for today. Thank you. Find out questions and their answers. That's all for you. Thank you.